we are going to discuss the JavaScript dialog boxes of subject internet programming. What indicate a JavaScript dialog boxes and what are the different types of dialog boxes? JavaScript dialog boxes where we have alert box, confirm box and prompt box. These are the three most important dialog boxes we have in a JavaScript. One by one we are going to see what do we mean by prompt, what do we mean by confirm and what do we mean by alert dialog box with their executions. Here we have first alert dialog box. What is executions or how we execute the alert dialog box? Here we are going to execute the alert dialog box. Here we can observe the output. What will be the output here? Here we can see click the following button to see the result. What here output here we have? Here we have the one statement and second is a buttons. After clicking that buttons, we get one warning message. This is a warning message. If we click on OK, so this is a warning message. So how we execute it, or if we see the source code, we find that first of all we get one statement which contain click the button to see the result. After that we have one buttons. We have created one buttons which contain one message that is called as a click me. First we are displayed one message with the help of that paragraph tag. Now where we create one forms with the help of form tag, where we have input type equals to buttons, where we create one buttons. The value of that buttons is click me. After clicking that buttons, the function get called that is called as a one. What functions here we have declared? One functions here we have declared. That one function is called from the script where we have write the script. Now the one is a user defined functions we have called from the on click or by clicking the buttons and by giving the event that is called as on click. So that functions will get called. After that function contain the one alert prompt. That alert prompt contain this is a warning message. What it contain? This is a warning message. Again it contain one message that is called as a this is a warning message which contain in document.write. Now it is contained in that particular things. How we executed it? How? After that second box here we have, or second types here we have, that is called as a confirm box. How we execute the confirm message? Here we observed confirm message, or how we execute the confirm. Again here we can see the click the buttons to see the result. We click on result. Do you want to continue? Here we observe that here we get two buttons, that is called as one is called as OK button and second is called as a cancel button. By clicking OK buttons, that value get true. If the value get true, the user want to continue. If the value get false, that user does not want to continue. This message will get shown. We can observe the use of how we execute or how we source code that contain the first click the buttons to see the result. Here we can observe one input type equals to buttons click me on click as per the previous one. Now here we have one get confirmation functions. Here we have one get confirmation function which will be called from the get confirmation function in the script sections, where we've observed that get confirmation functions where we have one declare one confirmation function which contain the statement that is called as a do you want to continue. If the user want to continue, it has one value. If the value is true, the user get message that is called as a user want to continue. If the user doesn't want to continue, he will get message user doesn't want to continue. So we can observe the output here. Now click the following button to see the result. Click me. Do you want to continue? Yes. Here we get the two buttons. Okay. At the times user want to continue. That means what value get true? One value get true. That's why that message has been displayed, that is called as user want to continue. One difference between the alert and confirm prompt is the confirm is that alert contain the only one buttons and Second we have that is called as a confirm, where we have the two buttons. What but two buttons here we have? One is called as a OK buttons and the second is called as a cancel buttons. Now third types here we have that is called as a prawn box. What box here we have? Prawn box. Using that prawn box, what we going to discuss here? Again here we have one message contain buttons, click me, where you find enter your name. If you write the TGPCET, what you get? You get one message, you have entered TGPCET. How it is occurred or how it is take place? We observe the source code, page source code, that is called as a, here we can see here we create one buttons where we get one values functions which contained one prompt alert confirm box, prompt box or prompt dialog box, where we have entered the name, your name. Here you can enter the name. That value is stored in read val and it can be displayed with the help of document.write, and we can be display after the executions of that program. Here we can observe that you have entered TGPCT. Again we see the how it is executed. Click the following button to see the result. Click me. You can observe that you can type here name TGPCT, then click on OK. You find you have entered TGPCT. In this way we have completed executions of three, that is called as a alert, confirm and prompt. Thank you.